guys, I'm doing a system test video. So guys, I have several firearms. They are not paper. Last time they were. Test. System test. I usually say, oh my god, firearms. Oh, they're being paper. But they're not paper anymore. That's what I was wrong. This one. And this one. I am 6. I am still 6. I haven't done any age reports yet. I have a pole station that I need to hook up. I have a pole station that I need to hook up. And you're familiar with pole stations because these are like the only things that I use my tests. Pole stations. I have another strobe. Put it here and the pole station. So I have enough keys to set them. Or set them later. Where do keys go? So I'm gonna be pulling these. And they're not connected. What in order to keep them. Dad, can I pull the alarms?
Not yet.
So he said not yet. There's more. These, I'll give you a little show of them. You'll see the alarms I'm hooked up. This is my fresh new one that I got on eBay. And it has like a keyhole I like that. Shiny. And this also pulls, but they're plugged in, so I do not want to pull them. Okay. Call them. You think I'm going to call the fire department? No. I'm not going to call the fire department. Don't worry, fire department. It's just a system test video. These, by the way, are not hooked up. These are not hooked up to the phone line, and I did not call the fire department because they're not hooked up. I pulled it like 100 times last night, and they are not hooked up to the phone line. So I can pull it, okay, fire department? Don't worry, don't come. Just a test. So I test them once in a while. That's okay. What's that? Pretty loud, I know that. Oh, bring my keys. No, this one's out. Where'd my keys go? Now, one more thing they want to point out. You guys probably didn't know this, but if I take, you probably don't know this. I heard about it before, but to get in there, key, please get in. There we go. Can take key, on any pole station this works. Okay?
Hey, Freddie.
What?
Is this the Grand Sky of Frederica today?
Yes.
Did you say okay, Mrs. Grant?
No, I didn't. I was afraid to. Tomorrow I will. So this is basically pole station again. It's not a rerun. I'll put it like this. That's basically that. I'm also going to set up this one so that you can put the keys in and open it for any reason, and I'll show you why. I'll show you why. On each pole station, this one needs to go off. One of these needs to go off to show them why. I'm not going to unplug it because I don't feel like it. Actually, I'm going to go to my panel. They don't have it. I'm just going to unplug it. Okay, let's unplug it and put it on silence. Put it on silence. There's a, you can see I unplugged it. Now, there's a button right here. And that button is like this. It will not go off. I'll show you why. Because I'll plug it back in. I'll actually hold it. You can see I'm holding it. I'll let go. So whenever I let go, it will go off. And with every pole station, it does this. But I'm guessing it's like a safety mechanism, but see, so pole stations work in many different ways. So it's really cool how this works. I don't know the model numbers. But yeah, that's my video. Bye.